Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so today in this video we are going to discuss about active and passive voices, or we usually call as active and passive sentences. Okay, the basic form or rumus dasarnya for active and passive. For passive sentence, we call this form as be and verb 3. Okay, be is to be. Is, am, are, was, were, had, has, itu adalah to be. Okay, so and it must be followed by verb 3. Jadi harus diikuti dengan verb 3. Itu adalah rumus atau basic form untuk kalimat passive. Okay, so kita lihat. Okay, kita lihat one by one ya. Satu tenses pertama, simple past, subject was or were, and it must be followed by verb 3. Let's see the examples. Active sentence, they cleaned the classes yesterday. Okay, cleaned, mereka membersihkan kelasnya. Okay, so dalam bahasa Indonesia. How about the passive? Pasifnya gimana? The classes were cleaned yesterday by them. Nah, were cleaned. Clean di sini adalah verb 3. Karena rumus dasar untuk kalimat pasif adalah be plus verb 3. Okay, next, past continuous. Subject was or were, and then you must put being before verb 3. They were cleaning the classes. Okay, dirubah menjadi pasif. The classes were being cleaned by them. Jangan lupa memakai being untuk continuous. And in bahasa Indonesia, the classes dibersihkan. Okay, dibersihkan. Karena in bahasa Indonesia, pasif itu artinya di. Kalau active artinya me. Past perfect, active sentence, they had cleaned the classes. And then change into passive. The classes had been cleaned by them. Karena ada had, you must be followed by been and then verb 3. Next pattern, simple present. Subject is am or are, and then it must be followed by verb 3. The active sentence, they clean the classes every day, and then we change it to passive. The classes are cleaned every day by them, or cleaned. B-nya adalah are, and then it must be followed by verb 3. Next, present continuous, is, am, or, and then you must put being, and then it must be followed by verb 3. They are cleaning the classes. The passive one, passivnya, the classes are being cleaned by them. Ada being, karena continuous. Present perfect, we have got have or has, and it must be followed by been and verb 3. They have cleaned the classes. The classes have been cleaned by them. Okay, so let's see here. Kalau present continuous, ada continuous, you must put being. Kalau ada perfect, has or have, you must put been before verb 3. Okay, future tense. Okay, we have got will or going to, right? Jadi future ada dua kan, yang memakai will dan going to. Pasifnya seperti apa? Subject, will be or be going to, and then you must put be before verb 3. Jadi ada be lagi sebelum verb 3. Kita lihat contohnya. Active sentence, they will clean the classes. Mereka akan membersihkan kelasnya. Okay, so pasifnya, the classes will be cleaned. Be, kemudian ketemu verb 3. Next, they are going to clean the classes. The classes are going to be cleaned by them. Oke, artinya kelasnya akan dibersihkan. Next, modals. Modals banyak ya, ada can, may, must, should. Oke, karena pasif ditambahin be ketemu plus verb 3. They must clean the class. The classes must be cleaned by them. Oke. Sekarang kita bandingkan ya. Kalau tadi kita belajar rumus satu-satu, so kita lihat di sini. Bandingkan active sentence and passive sentence. Jadi, tidak perlu menghafal semua rumus yang sudah dijelaskan tadi. Kita pahami saja. Oke. Kita lihat contoh yang pertama, number 1. They cleaned the class yesterday. Itu kalimatnya past tense kan? Oke, kita lihat bandingkan dengan contoh kedua. They cleaned the classes every day. Itu kalimatnya present tense. Kalimat aktif nomor 1 dan nomor 2 itu past tense dan present tense. Kita bandingkan kalimat pasifnya. Yang pertama, the classes were cleaned yesterday by them. Tapi pasif yang kalimat kedua, the classes are cleaned every day by them. Bedanya apa coba? Passive sentence yang kalimat pertama dan kalimat kedua. Oke, bedanya di to be kan? Yang pertama memakai were, yang kedua memakai are. Jelas berbeda. Kenapa? Karena yang rumus pertama adalah past tense, yang rumus kedua adalah present tense. Jadi, ciri-cirinya adalah kapan memakai were, kapan memakai are itu tergantung tensesnya. Jadi, kalau untuk kalimat pasif, be-nya itu mengikuti tensesnya. Kalau itu tensesnya past tense, berarti be-nya adalah was or were. Tapi kalau itu kalimatnya present tense, jadi to be-nya adalah kalau tidak is, dia am or are, tergantung dari subjeknya. Oke. Next one, kita bandingkan rumus ketiga dan keempat. They are cleaning the classes and they were cleaning the classes. Yang nomor 3 adalah present continuous, yang nomor 4 adalah past continuous. Kita berpindah ke kalimat yang kolom pasif. The classes are being cleaned by them. The classes were being cleaned by them. Oke, karena continuous memakai being, ketemu verb 3, tapi to be-nya berbeda. Karena nomor 3 adalah to be-nya present, jadi memakai are. Tapi nomor 4 adalah past continuous, makanya to be-nya memakai were. Oke. Next, kita fokus ke nomor 5 dan nomor 6. They have cleaned the classes and they had cleaned the classes. Itu perfect. Memakai have atau had. Tapi untuk kalimat pasif itu ditambahin been. The classes have been cleaned by them, or the classes had been cleaned by them. Jadi setelah kata have or had itu ditambahin been. Kalau untuk perfect or perfect tense, entah itu present perfect or past perfect. Okay, the last one. Number 7, they must clean the classes. Kalau ini must, karena modals, automatically ditambahin be. Oke, sama seperti penggunaan future will be, must be, can be. Nah, itu untuk kalimat pasif. Oke, so saya ulangi. Nomor 1 dan nomor 2 itu past dan present. Oke, untuk menentukan to be, jadi kita harus tahu tensesnya. Kalau tensesnya past tense, berarti to be-nya adalah to be past, were cleaned. Tapi karena present, berarti to be-nya to be present, are cleaned. Oke, nomor 3 dan nomor 4 itu continuous. Karena continuous memakai being cleaned. Tapi hati-hati, to be-nya berbeda. Kalau present continuous, are being cleaned. Kalau past continuous, were being cleaned. Karena to be itu mengikuti tenses. Sama seperti have, has, or had, nomor 5 dan nomor 6. Perfect, itu ditambahin been. Oke, dan terakhir, nomor 7, will, must, can, should, semua modals ditambahin be. And followed by verb 3. Okay, I think that's all about passive sentence. I'll see you on the next video. Assalamualaikum, bye.